Dough is almost ready. We came down on the road to near the city, so we have better internet, because up there we didn't have any internet or non-existent. Next stop is hot baths. Last trip we visited every hot bath which was on the way, in Italy and in Greece and everywhere. So this is our thing. We always try to find them. For finding hot baths, the good website is Natural Soaking Society. Most of them are wild hot baths, so not including the paid spas. You can find also spas which has hot baths. We haven't visited even one, because we like the wild thing, because it has this wild vibe rather than going to the spa. Another thing, there was a sandstorm like a couple of weeks ago, and it was horrible. Our van is still covered in that sand. We haven't had a chance to wash it properly. It's coming again, and this time 3 times more powerful. So there will be lots of sand, but only on this area. It's the worst. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive near Portugal border. That's out of the area of sandstorm, and there's a couple of nice beaches and really nice places where we can enjoy. And also we have been already in Tarifa, so we don't really need to go there. We can just skip it. There's a fish in the water, so it's really fun, and you can see the fish really nicely. But yeah, not hot bath, because it's not hot. It's actually quite cold. We don't have rainwater collection system in our van, so we are collecting water from the sea. Yeah, to pre-wash our dishes, so we don't have to use that much water from our tank. As always. We are 2 old people. We need coffee, so we don't need to take a nap. And why we don't want to take a nap is the beach. We want to enjoy it until the sun goes down. It's new Johnny making coffee. In a past life, when I was working with the coffee, I made my coffee with the 0.5 gram water coffee ratio. Now it's like just put it there. Whatever. Van living makes you very relaxed. So this is the place that we have been before. Playa de Faro, just beside the Gibraltar. One of the greatest wild camping spots in Spain that we have ever seen on Park Fortnite or anything. And this might be the last year that you can come here, because this is part of the area where they're gonna build houses, and seems like all the other areas already are full of houses. So this is the last one that they are starting to build. But yeah, enjoying here time before going to more west. And this part of the Spain do not get the sand, so we are safe from the sand.
Tää vitun kylmä.
Hello from sunny Spain. This day supposed to be a rainy day, full of rain, 98% chance of rain. But look at that. It's just sunny and everything is shining on us. Woo! And this time the combat kitchen time, what we're gonna do is pizza. Really good pizza. And it was Detroit pan pizza. So basically the pan pizza with a really good amount of cheese on top and really good sauce. Those two things are the essence of that pizza. Yeah, really excited about that. And I'm gonna do it now with our Omni oven here, just by the beach. And it's really easy. Just making normal pizza dough, putting up the sauce, which is the main part of the whole pizza every time when you make the sauce by yourself. And then put in the toppings. I think we're gonna put tuna on top. Really simple. Yeast, salt, flours, warm water, mix it together, make the dough, put it in the Omni oven, and then start making the sauce. Dough is almost ready. Alright, the dough has doubled the size, so we have good base for the pizza. I mixed the tuna with the sauce that I made. I'm making Detroit pan pizza, so there needs to be a lot of mozzarella on top of that. So it will be like a half cheese, half dough pizza. Yeah, but really simple. Just putting the top of this the sauce and the cheese and put the Omni oven top of the gas hob and wait for 35 minutes. First full blast 10 minutes, then 65% for rest of the time until it's ready. It should be crusty. It should be really a little bit burned on the side, and then it's ready. And the sun comes up also, because I'm so sunny person. Just when I said that it's sunny weather here in Kosovo, it started raining. But it's not big of a deal because we have home. Really
we have
warm.
a roof over our head.
And I'm making really good sauce. It gives a really good smell to our home smell. And yeah, according to this Serious Eats Detroit pan pizza, and that sauce is great. Basically it has garlic, onion powder, pimento, dried oregano, and some olive oil, good olive oil, and just a hinge of onion. It's really good. It's like pizza like, but I think it's the red pepper that makes the really good base to that. You need to be really careful not dropping anything under the silicone, because everything beneath there will be burning. Yep, we have been doing it a couple of times, like smelling that something burning, and it's just one drop of cheese there and it burns. when we are using the Omnia oven, we cannot get that hot as it's in a pizza oven or oven that we had in a house. But I'm trying my best and putting it in a full blast so we can get the crust on the cheese. It's really hard to get crust on the Omnia oven, so I'm putting my fingers crossed. But we have the crust.
We do have a crust.
So it was 35 minutes. First 10 minutes in a full blast and then 70% of the gas hop power, and it was perfect. Yes, we are going to eat in a second. And we are also, while we are making food, we are making mess for the whole van. But that is normal in a small environment. But we are also editing. This is our rainy day fun.
Yeah. 5 years ago, we couldn't edit our videos during the rainy days. When it's rainy, you are trapped inside of the van, so it's so much nicer that you can work in those days, and when it's sunny you can do outdoor activities and you don't have to be inside of your van. And also these breathtaking views and these great nature spots with the good Wi-Fi connections, these are kind of rare.
So usually when you are in a beautiful place, there's no receptions.
Yeah, no phone service.
So you need to go always to cities or near cities to get reception, good reception.
Yeah, and those means maybe a little unclear spots to park your van, but these are good things to keep in mind if you do some online work or
You are wanting to be a digital nomad living in a van.
So consider that before you quit your day job and start your online business.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to work as a digital nomad in a van.
On the road.
No, I would rather be working somewhere.
Like a seasonal job or some project jobs.
Yeah.
Start
Even if it's digital nomad things job, but still doing it 3 months full time, full blast, getting the money, get out of there and then enjoy.
Because we lived in Finland so many years in this van.
And we got tons of money saved, so we don't need any digital nomad jobs.
Yeah. Now we can just be here in the beautiful surroundings and not care if our phones work or not.
Yes, or if our vans work or not.
It has a crust.
It has a crust, yes.
Tuna.